I got this great package of connectors from Sunvie. I'm a fan of these because I love the way they are so neat and nicely organized. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to use them. So this is what they look like. You have both sides, the positive and the neutral there. And so all you're going to do is you go out to your low voltage lines, right? You put in one side like that, right? I'm just demonstrating here so you can see. These aren't the normal wires you would use, but you put that there, right? Tighten this down. It's going to puncture it, make its own connection, right? 1, 2, right? So those connect to your low voltage line where you're running your lights outdoors, right? So now we got power supplied. And then let's imagine these are the lines coming from your light. And you just simply slide it in. Tighten this down. I like to remove it completely so you can see how much wire is showing, right? You put that, so it's making a nice connection. Then tighten this down. Obviously this is a little harder because I'm just doing this freestyle here to show you, not with real wires. There we go, so that connects that side. Okay, same thing on the other side. Take your other line, put it in. Get a little bit of exposed wire, get it in there and connected. Tighten this down. Now I will tell you, I find you just gotta be a little careful when you start threading it in to get it good and positively threaded in. And there you go. How nice and neat is that? This would be going to your light. This is your power supply in the yard right there like that. And that is it. Nicely organized. I think that's my favorite part about it. Super easy. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.